That regeneration shit got old 6 years ago. So I'm gonna take a page out of Kakarot's book. I'm gonna hit you really hard! Hard enough to wipe every last bit of you from existence!
Existence. Existence is but shallow question with no answer. We'll make you chicken nuggies!
This is farewell. Bulma. Trunks. And even you, best buddy. Vegeta, no! Vegeta! Yeah!